Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable PayPal webhooks and make automation, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable PayPal webhooks and make automation, first, log into your Make account. Navigate to the dashboard where your scenarios are displayed. Locate the scenario that contains the PayPal integration you wish to modify. Click on the scenario to open its configuration. In the scenario editor, identify the PayPal module you are using. Click on the PayPal module to access its settings. Look for the webhook settings within the module configuration. Here, you will see the option related to webhooks. Select the option to manage your webhooks. You may have a list of webhooks currently active for your PayPal integration. Find the specific webhook you wish to disable. Next, click on the Disable option next to that webhook. Confirm your action in the prompt that appears. Once the webhook is disabled, it will no longer send events to your Make automation. Review any other webhooks you might want to disable, following the same steps. After making all necessary changes, save your scenario. Exit the scenario editor to return to your dashboard. Your PayPal webhooks are now disabled within your Make automation. Check the automation to ensure everything is functioning as required without the webhook events. You have successfully completed the process of disabling PayPal webhooks in Make automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.